Alright kids, today we're going to learn Raccoon by the Beatles. We're going to start off by talking about these chords, and then we're going to learn the rhythm. Okay? So, and if you're wanting a chart for this song, check out yourguitarstage.com. You can find out how to get a chart to this song and hundreds of others. And with that, I also have an ebook on there that'll teach you about strumming and teach you about chords and that sort of thing. So check that out. Okay, so this song starts off with an A minor 7. If you see me looking over here, I'm looking at my chart. An A minor 7. Normally, here's our A minor. A minor 7 looks like this. So I'm lifting the ring finger. But in the case of this song, I'm also adding this finger up here, which is a G note, and this is a G note. And so that right there gives us our A minor 7. Okay. Now, I'm going to cycle through the chords here. The intro of this just pedals right on an A minor 7. Okay, I'm not even doing the rhythm right there, but it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, so that's the intro. We'll talk about rhythm in just a second. Okay, now the verse goes like this. A minor 7, and it does that for 2 bars, or 8 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The next chord is a D7 sus. So keep that chord you got right there. Just move your middle finger down 1 string. Okay, and that's it. That's a D7 sus. And now the other thing you're going to do is you can bring your thumb around and just mute that top string. So now that's your next chord. Okay, you'll hold that for a bar. Then you'll go to a D7, meaning you just keep everything there but move your pinky off and put your ring finger right behind it on the 2nd fret of the high E string. And keep your thumb muted up there. There's your D7. Next chord is a G7. Kind of looks like a C, but you're going to spread it out. So these guys go up a string, first finger goes down a string. So here's your C chord, here's your G7. Remember it that way too. It will be helpful when you're playing. Okay, so there's your G7. You hold that for 2 bars. Then a C. Mute this top string with your thumb. And then a C/B. Slash chord means that the first part of the letter that's on the left of the slash is the actual chord that you play, and the letter that's to the right of the slash is the bass note. So if it's a C chord, we just play that, but if it's a C/B, in this case, you got to put a B in the bass, which means you got to know your notes. Okay, so A sharp, B. So basically we need to play a C chord, but we need to put that B in the bass. So the way I do that is I replace this finger right here and lay that guy down. It looks like an A minor, or I'm sorry, an E minor chord, but then I take my first finger and put it right here of the 1st fret of the 2nd string. So again, C chord, C with a B in the bass. Makes a nice little dissonant chord there. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to play this in what I call diamonds, which means you just hit the chord on the 1 and hold it out for 4 beats. So if the intro went 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then our verse starts. So the verse is going to go like this. Minor 7, 4, A minor 7, D7 sus, D7, G7, G7, C, C with a B in the bass. Again, 2, 3, 4, chords. So you get that. Now the strumming rhythm is really easy. I actually prefer a different strumming rhythm on this one. The chart that you can find at yourguitarstage.com, I think, has the rhythm 1, 2, and 3, and 4. But the actual rhythm, that's just because that's how I play it. I like the sound of that better. But if you listen real carefully to the recording that the Beatles did, it's actually 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and that's what we call a swing. It's swinging the beat. So instead of 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, which are straight, this is a swing beat. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that and after the 3, there's a little bit of a pause there. Okay, so when you're practicing these rhythms, just do, mute it like this and go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then once you get it, do it slowly and start with that intro chord there. Okay. Then when it gets up to speed, it'll sound something like this. Verse to sum it up here, it's going to go. And repeat. And really, that's the whole song. You just play that over and over and over again. You've got the whole song down. Alright, so any other questions that you might have regarding this song or any other songs that I'm teaching, check out yourguitarstage.com. Get that ebook. It's really going to help you out a lot. Basically what I've done is packed in about 26 pages of the most necessary information needed for playing these types of songs, condensing these classic songs down to a real concise way that you can play it on the acoustic guitar and make it sound like the song that you're used to hearing. Alright, so check that out. Keep coming back for more videos and check in often. And as always, keep practicing. See you soon.